Just follow these steps that I just explained right now, and you're going to see a great difference on your skin texture. Like any morning, fourth morning, fifth morning, you go into the bathroom, pour water on your skin, and just as little as rub soap on your body, you're going to see your skin begin to shine again like you exfoliated the previous day. There's this new way I just started using my body scrub for like over a month now, and it has been working for me, and that is what I want to share with you in today's video. Now, this my new trick has not just saved my body scrub for me, but it has also bought me time. Before now, I used to scrub my body like 2 to 3 times a week. Like I have a routine where I have a routine where I scrub my body 3 times every week, 2 times every week, the weeks that I'm lazy and all of that. But I never just do once a week, because after some days when I look at my skin has lost that shine, that softness that comes from scrubbing your skin. But like last month or like 5 weeks ago, I started doing something, and it helped me to prolong like my days. I still a whole 1 week plus without scrubbing, but my skin is still looking soft. My skin is still looking properly exfoliated. Do you get? Yeah, and that is what I wanted to share with you in today's video, because this has saved me money. Because right now, body scrubs aren't so cheap anymore. My body scrub is still like halfway halfway gone after almost 2 months. It never happens. So now the trick is using hot water. What do I mean? Now, I'm someone that I like to use room temperature water to have my bath every day, unless the weather is extremely cold. Then I use warm water to bathe. Okay, but like 5 weeks ago, I decided to no. I actually accidentally that was cold, so I had to boil up water, and the water I now boiled was not too hot. Do you understand? You know that type of water you pour your body and you like it's hot. So I just had to use it because I didn't want to waste the hot water. So I used it, and it happened to be on my exfoliation day. Then I used it, I exfoliated my body, but while in the process of using my body scrub, I noticed that it was different. There was something different from using this temperature of water and using normal shower water. Do you understand? I was like, my skin looks like glass. Why is my skin shining more than it used to shine on a normal? So I didn't let it pass. Then on my next exfoliation day, I boiled excess hot water again and then I mixed it to be really hot, and then I exfoliated. So when I did that, I noticed the same thing again. Then I skipped my next exfoliation day. I skipped the next one, and I passed 1 week. And after the 1 week, when I still pour water on my body and as little as just use soap and rub on my skin will still be shining like I exfoliated my skin the previous day. So that was when I now realized that there is something to using hot water. Okay, not water that they used to kill fowl, not that type of very hot water, the one you can at least pour on your body. But what it does is it helps to open up your pores and makes the exfoliation more effective. It makes the exfoliation like more deep. Do you understand? It's just like going to a sauna. When you get into a sauna, that heat that is, getting into your skin, penetrating into your skin, is going to open up your pores, release excess oils, and then when you come out from a sauna and go and have your bath, your skin is going to feel extremely soft, extremely shiny. You're going to have that glass skin effect for a prolonged period of time than when you do not go through such heat. Do you get? So, and another thing is it also cuts me time, because not a lot of us have time to be using scrubs 2 to 3 times in a week, honestly, because everybody is busy. So right now I just use my scrubs once a week, and it also saves me scrub. This my scrub will still last me for 1 month, because in a month now I'm just like using my scrubs 4 times in a month, opposed to using it like 12 times in a month. And if you know me, I'm someone that I like limiting chemicals. I like limiting the products I put on my body, especially as a woman. You need to be careful of all these things that we are using, in as much as it's good, but you need to still cut down on stuff. So I'm actually really happy that I can cut down on how often I exfoliate my skin. Okay, yes, I cut down on how often I exfoliate my skin, which will even help to keep your skin more soft and more soft, because the more often you exfoliate, the more like at risk of skin dryness in the future that you are going to get into. We are still young and vibey. 40, 50 is still coming, 60 is still coming, when the natural dryness is going to kick in. And if you have done some things excessively in the past, it is going to be more severe for the person. So I try as much as possible to limit the skincare things I use on my skin, because we all want to age gracefully and beautifully, our skin looking supple and soft. So that's what I thought to come and share with you all today. The little secret that has been working for me, that has helped me to cut down on how often I use my body scrub, save me time, save me money, save me everything. I'm super excited, yeah, that my skin can still pop without me scrubbing. Yeah. So what I do is, like, the way I exfoliate my skin. I actually have a full video on that, but let me just explain for those people that did not see the video. Okay, so what I do is I get into the bathroom now with this hot water. I pour hot water on my body. Okay, I pour the water on my body, and then I use my soap, any soap. Basically, I use brightening bar soaps. So it can be any brightening bar soap. It can be Asante, it can be Unique soap, it can be just any soap. It can even be Dove, any soap that you are using. Use it and rub on your body. That is first level exfoliation. Okay, use it and rub all over your body. Just massage the soap all over your body. Once you are done with that first level of rubbing the soap all over your body, I call it the lathering method. If you do this, you are going to see an absolute difference on your skin over time. So you're just going to lather the soap all over your body, then rinse out with the same hot water that you have. Then you are going to put on your gloves, okay, and you lather the same soap on your body. Okay, then have a proper bath. Scrub your body with this, have a proper bath. Then when you're done, you rinse out. Then with still your gloves on, you get your body scrub and then lather it all over your body. This particular one I have here, this Asante, turmeric and ginger, it lathers really, really well. Okay, it lathers really well, and it's very, very effective. So you use it and scrub your whole body. Focus on your problem areas, here, your knees, knuckles, all of those places. Just use it all over your body. Rinse it out, then still remove this now, rinse it properly and keep. Then use your hands, lather the soap again on your body. Okay, lather the soap again on your body lastly, and then properly rinse off your skin. See, if you follow all this process, okay, you are not going to need to re-exfoliate your skin in the next 7 days. Try it and come back to this video and give me your review. This is my own experience, and that's what I thought to come and share with you. I hope this was helpful to someone I thought it would be. That's why I'm sharing it. And please like this video, share, leave a comment, tell me your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to try it. If you have been using hot water, maybe I'm the one that has been left out in this thing, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to see you on our next one.